Yeah, hey, so this is the unboxing of the drone I got today. So this is the drone I got today. So let's open it together. Unboxing, and I'll do a review. Okay, so what you get here is you get the controller. Okay, figure out what these settings are in a minute. So there's the controller there. Okay, so obviously you can pull this out here to get your mobile phone in. Yep, there's the antennas there, which are plastic, they don't really do much. It takes a set of three 1.5 volt AA batteries. That's that there. Okay, so that's the 2 battery connection, but you can't get that. So what do we get here? We get a the guards. Looks like we get the 4 guards, as you can see. 4 guards there. Okay, so you also get the owner's manuals. So that's the app user guide there. Move that back a bit. App user guide there. And you also get the folding user manual drone there as well. So again, there's the app one there. Yep. And you can see the 4 rotor blades. Okay. So obviously the next thing you get there is the USB charger. And it looks like you get a screwdriver. Okay. Put those there. And it also looks like you get some spare blades. 4 spare blades. Close that back on. Alright, so the actual drone itself is going to be quite small. But the owner's manual talks about connection details.
And